So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and let Claude AI do is generate out entire websites for you as well. So let's just go ahead and create out a static website. Let's say, for example, so I'm just going to go around and say create an interesting website for my YouTube channel, www.youtube.com /tutor2. So let's just go around over here and type in this. And then what I'm going to do is say create 5 pages of HTML document and make it interesting to visit, and then give me the entire website packed up as a zip file. So I can simply go ahead and say this right here. So once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that it says I'll create an interesting multi-page website for TutorTube. Let me first check the front end design right here. And now you can actually go ahead and tell it like more detailed things like what to keep in the home page, what to keep in the about, and so forth right here. But you can see that I simply gave it a freedom right here and just said create a page for TutorTube right here. So you can see that it is starting to go ahead and write out all of the codes right here. So now you just need to go ahead and wait for it to complete generating. So it completed generating out the index, as you can see right here, the courses right here, just like this. And even without any web development knowledge whatsoever, you can easily go ahead and generate out a website, web coded out right here, just like this. So you can see the first page right here, the index, the courses, the about right here is created, and now it is actually creating a blog page, and now it is creating out a contact page right here. So you just need to go ahead and wait for everything to be completed, and then you can see it's creating the CSS style sheet right here for bringing out all of these content together as well, and all of them are being created separately, as you can see right here, like I told it to create right here, just like this. And in a while, what happens is that I'll just get a zip file. And now you can see that I have the zip file ready now right here. So I can simply go ahead and download it out right here. And then once I go ahead and extract it, this is what I would have. So if I were to actually go ahead and open up, you can see a fully ready site right here. So you can see that I have a link. I can go ahead and explore courses right here, just like this. And you can see the courses. I can go around over here onto home. So this is what you have. You can see that subscribe now is an option. I can go to courses right here to access out my courses. Here I have my about page right here. Like let's say, for example, it says 2018 TutorTube began with a simple mission and everything right here, just like this. And you even have meet our team and everything. I didn't give all of these detail right here, but this is what you have. As you can see, you even have, let's say, blog right here, just like this. And then you got contact information right here, just like this as well. So this is basically how the website is generated fully. So all 5 pages, as you can see right here, that you can go ahead and quickly host as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe